Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use AI to create a landing page for Wix. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Adobe Firefly. Now open the first site that comes up and log in with your account. Now if you don't have any account, then just simply create one so that you can continue along. Anyway, so after logging in, scroll down a bit until you see Explore Firefly. Once you see it, click on it. Remember to select Firefly and not the Photoshop button at the starting. And after that, select the next to image feature and you will land right on this page. Here you will be able to see a bunch of different designs generated by other people. To generate your own, simply click on the prompt bar at the bottom of the screen and start typing in what type of landing page you want. Just type in the prompt and press enter to generate a proper landing page. You can also change the style of it by selecting the appropriate feature according to your taste, and you're done. You can simply download it by heading over to your favorite one and selecting the download icon, and that's how you can use AI to create a landing page for your Wix website. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.